Hey guys, this is Mike at CSL Ford in Cardston. I'm making this video for Guy, but I'll post it on YouTube for everyone anyways. But this is a 2024 F350 Lariat SuperCab with a 7.3 liter Godzilla engine. That's a gas engine. This is race red, one of my favorite colors. But you don't see very many out there. Cleans up really nice. It's got the sport package, color match bumpers, 4x4. Let's see, I can't remember if it has the prep kit. No prep kit. No spray and Boxliner. I know a lot of people say the SuperCab is not very useful, but it looks awesome. I really like the look of a SuperCab, and it doesn't have the space of a four-door crew cab, but I don't know, that's still pretty good. I don't have to sit in the back, so I don't mind. I think the seat's back quite a ways. There you go. Nice leather Lariat interior. Yeah, I love the SuperCab. If I don't have to sit in the back. Okay. Running boards. Got the hood popped. Let's take a look at this engine. It's big. Big cast iron block. Pulls like a machine. We towed a truck back from was it Creston, BC. Could hardly even feel it back there. Okay, let's take a look inside. Got trailer mirrors, side step. If you are using it for construction or on the farm, just saves. Sorry. Alright, let's take a look at a couple options. Keyless keypad entry. Also comes with Ford Pass. It's an app for your phone. You can lock your vehicle from your phone. You can even start it up. Let's take a look at this. Fire this up. Go. Cruise control, no adaptive, no lane centering, but that's not uncommon for the Super Duties. This one does not have heads-up display. Looks like we need some air in the tires. Okay, there we go. A couple options there. Big screen. Okay, hook up your phone, navigation. Hooks up to your phone, so you've got Apple CarPlay as well if you like having your phone controls up there like I do. Audio, phone, navigation, all your settings, all your features. Owner's manual, no more book. There's your owner's manual right there. Okay, we've got heated and cooled seats. Heated steering wheel. Okay, you got drive modes here. Normal, towing, eco for those long trips on the highway. You've even got slippery, off-road, and there we go. I'll put it back to normal. Normal. Okay. I mean, there's some of the controls. You got camera. So I like the camera for a couple reasons. First of all, you've got a nice backup view. Big screen, 360-degree view with sensors. Makes it easy to back up, pull into a spot. But what I like to do is when I'm pulling into a spot, hit this, I can see right in front of me, and 360. So that's one of my favorites. You got trailer brake controller, rear diff lock, 4 low, 4 high. No 4A on this one, but that's okay. Wireless charge pad, that's for your phone, so you don't have to carry cords if you don't need to. But if you do, we got charge ports, USB, and whatever that is, the Apple C hookup. Cup holders. Okay, so you've got 2, but now you have 4. Some people like that. Nice big glove box, really deep. And then, yeah, everything else. Okay, you got upper glove box, lower glove box. Everything you need. Upfitter switches, if you ever need to hook up light bars, air compressors, airbags, things like that. There's your rear window opener. Get a little bit of air going through because there is no sunroof. Okay, in a nutshell, in a quick tour, that is this truck. I love this truck. I love the SuperCab, love the color, love the engine. Got a lot of customers that are going from diesel to gas, mostly because of the fuel costs, and it's a great engine. So let me know what you think, and if you want to come take a look. Take care. Bye.